While all the major roadways are now open, the effects were not lost on several local businesses. 17's Taylor Schaub is live downtown with the story. Good evening, Taylor.
Hey, Don, that's right. Look, a lot of local businesses were impacted by this storm. Their employees' holiday plans had to change to accommodate these extreme weather delays.
Parker Jost was stranded with no place to stay.
All the hotels were sold out, so I got kind of, it wasn't good.
Then Amtrak saved his day.
They were nice to us. I mean, they kept it open for us.
Referring to the main building that normally closes at 10 p.m. But Jost wasn't the only southbound traveler stuck in the Golden Empire. Thousands like him hit this brutal Christmas storm on their way back to Southern California, waiting for updates and wishing for the best.
We all watch the sun come up, so we just don't want to watch it drop. Trying to get out of here.
Now that Interstate 5 and all of their major freeways are open, Tennyson will be on his way. Mark Lorraine, however, had a different experience, spending the night in a bed. Again, though, thanks to Amtrak.
Actually, Amtrak booked the motel for me, put me up here, but, I have to give them credit for that.
The one positive note of the 36-hour delay? It helped a lot of local business.
The unintended impact in the market was a blessing for us, most definitely as a business, and for all the local businesses who had families eating and coming together.
Giving some upside to a stressful couple of days.
Well, a lot of those employees really helped out the travelers. That's what these travelers told us today. I mean, think about the impact of these people having to come off on their holidays, stay the night at Amtrak, and we're happy to report that all Amtrak buses are running through the night. Live in downtown, Taylor Schaub, 17 News.